Please take notes. While trading can be rewarding, it comes with high level of risk and you can lose all your funds. And also note that videos on this channel are for educational purposes only. None is intended as investment advice. Please do your own research and also consult your financial advisor if you need one. Thank you. Gold prices new ATH, April 14 to 17 recap and April 21 to 25 forecast. Institutional insights and trade signals. Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we are talking about gold, and so we are going to be looking at gold market recap for April 14 to 17 2025. Remember, the past week gold traded for just 4 days because of the Good Friday holiday, bank holiday in the US, and then we'll do a forecast for the coming week, April 21 to 25, and we'll also be giving you institutional insights because that's where the big money actually is. So how big money moves, we're going to be looking at that for in this video. So you want to stay tuned and pay attention to really get the nuggets, get the insights that you need to really trade profitably this week. Now, let me also let you know that following what we do on this channel, in the past, last week, for example, just the week before this past week, we generated about 7,085 pips on gold alone, right? And this past week, we had a profit of about net profit of 600 pips. Yeah, we lost two trades, so totaling about 295 pips, and we won about 900 pips in profit. So the net is 600 and about 605 pips thereabouts. You can see that flashing on the screen. Okay, so this week the weekly range for gold this week is first weekly range. Gold surged to a new all-time high ATH of 3,357.69 and recorded a low of 3,193.71, reflecting heightened market volatility. Driving factors include institutional demand, with China having significantly increased its gold reserves, tripling its holdings to 8% of total reserves, and imported approximately 700 metric tons of gold from the UK over the past 2 years. 700 metric tons of gold from the UK over the past 2 years. Geopolitical tensions, escalating US-China trade disputes, and aggressive tariff policies have prompted investors to seek safe haven assets like gold. Economic uncertainty, concerns over a potential US recession, with Goldman Sachs estimating a 45% chance within the next 12 months, have further boosted gold's appeal. Then gold forecast for April 21 to 25, 2025, short-term outlook. Analysts anticipate a bearish correction, with gold potentially testing the 3,205 level. You can see 3,205 level here, and then that's the support level, right? So a rebound from this level could see prices aiming for 3,675 up here. Okay, institutional positions. Goldman Sachs raised its year-end gold price forecast to 3,300, but gold has already surpassed that. And their reason is that they are citing strong ETF inflows and sustained central bank demand. While UBS and Bank of America, both institutions have set a 2025 gold price target of 3,500. So we're waiting to see if gold could get there this week, highlighting escalating tariff uncertainty and geopolitical instability as key drivers. On technical analysis, we are going to be looking at the 15-minute and 1-hour charts. So from here, I also provide trading signals. On the 15-minute chart, the trend we have here is a strongly bullish trend with 92.86% of moving average signals indicating upward momentum. Quickly, let's look at this. Let me quickly expand this so that you see. All right, so here you have all the moving averages: 50 period moving average, 21 period moving average, and this is 200 period rather, 200 period moving average, 21 period and 50 period, all operating below the price of 15 minutes. And you see price action, if you go further, you see that gold has been bullish. What is happening here is just a minor correction that might eventually pick up again. So the trade signals we have here: buy entry on bullish candlestick patterns and near 3,320. Now we already price closed at 3,327. So as the market resumes, you want to set up your buy order at 3,320, yes, with a stop loss at 3,310. So somewhere around here, if you buy at 3,320 here when the market resumes, depending on what happens, okay, it may be a gap, it may not be, but then if it falls, if you open below 3,320, good still. So you can put your stop loss at 3,310. That will be about 100 pips, right? That's 100 pips. Then target will be to 3,340, which is 200 pips. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. All right. Sell entry if price breaks below 3,300. All right. So if it hits the stop loss for buy, but then there's an indication or a possibility that it might pick up your trade at 3,320, go and deliver the profit at 3,340, or even if it gets halfway to 3,330, of course, by the time you would have canceled the risk by moving your SL to entry, and then if the market shows anyhow, you can cut the trade and take whatever you have and watch out for what happens next. But then if price now eventually finds itself around the support at 3,300 and breaks it, then you want to consider shorting your positions, and the stop loss will be around 3,310 also. So 3,310 is going to be very significant this week for 15 minutes time frame, because it's serving as stop loss both for buy and for sell short term. And then the target here should be 3,280, which is also 20 pips. So giving you 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But on 1 hour chart, 1 hour quickly, let's switch over to 1 hour. On 1 hour chart, we have a bullish scenario also, because price is also trading above the 50 period moving average and 200 period moving average. Here's the 50 period moving average here, and 200 period is still down below. If I will collapse this a bit, you can see 200 period here. Yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, so that's it. So that makes it another bullish scenario for the 1 hour time frame. So trading signals here, we are buying on pullbacks to the 3,320 to 3,330 zone. All right, so we'll be targeting 3,360 here. So I will still prefer merging it with the 15 minutes time frame. And so if we find price at 3,320, we'll buy there, and our stop loss will still be at 3,310, and then we'll now have 2 TPs this time around. That means we can actually put 2 positions here with the same price. So the first will be for TP1. If I in this case now I might do it 3, so I can do TP1 at 3,330, TP2 at 3,340, and TP3 at 3,360, which is for 1 hour. And of course, you know that if it does 3,360, that will be a new all-time high, and then price may now begin to retrace. So our stop loss will be at 3,310, which is still risking the same 100 pips. And then I think that will be literally all the signal for 1 hour. Okay, now risk management and strategy. Volatility consideration. Given the current market volatility, ensure appropriate position sizing and risk management strategies are in place. And to really achieve this, you want to join us on our trading platform, on our Signal platform, so that you can really get the guide that you need. Because all of these things, because the market is dynamic, they can change. What you have seen here now, yes, they have the potential of working out as you have said it here, but market is very dynamic and things could change, and when they change, it's only those that are on our platform that will benefit from the updated information. So you want to check in the description of this video and get a link to join our Telegram channel so that you can get the updates. Monitoring institutional activity. You have to keep an eye on central bank purchases and geopolitical developments, as these can significantly impact gold prices. And of course, we'll provide these updates on our platform. Technical indicators. Utilize key technical levels and indicators to inform entry and exit points. Adapting strategies as market conditions evolve. Reason I told you, join us on our platform. All right, so this is where we'll be drawing the content for gold analysis, review, and forecast for April 14 to 17 and April 21 to 25 respectively. I hope you got value from this, and if you have got value from this, you want to like this video, you want to leave a comment or ask a question, share the video, and please subscribe to help the channel, and let's see in the next. Thank you and God bless you.